Check this out. I've never seen such an incredible dad. His son got teased at school during PE a few days ago because his classmates said his dad was too broke to afford a decent baseball bat. This restoration expert wasn't having any of it. He headed straight to the junkyard and picked up a treasure for just $1. Sure, the bat was beat to hell, but to him, it was the perfect gift for his amazing kid. He might not be able to buy brand new, but he knew his restoration skills would bring this bat back to life. What's he gonna do with this trashed piece of equipment? Let's find out. The whole process is super satisfying. If you're into restoration videos, you don't want to miss this. This guy's been grinding for 10 hours straight to get it done. And when he finally finished, everyone's jaw dropped. Nobody could believe their eyes. His son went absolutely nuts when he saw it, jumping around like crazy. Watching his kid that happy made every bit of hard work worth it. The restoration process was tough as nails. Anyone recognize what model this bat is? Drop it in the comments if you know. The final result will blow your mind. I know likes are optional, but this craftsman busts his ass creating content every single day. If you made it this far, I'm sure you won't mind hitting that free like button for someone with skills like this. Your support keeps creators like this going. Much appreciated. We're almost at the finish line now. Pretty awesome, right? What do you think of this guy's skills? On a scale of 1 to 10, what's your rating? Let me know in the comments. If you dig his restoration work and that Dad of the Year energy, make sure to like and subscribe. I share restoration videos daily. See you next time. Don't miss it.